day, Bibi and a cat played in the garden.
You hide and I will find you.
The kitty agreed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, not there. Do you see the cat? Bibi looked around the yard but couldn't see the cat anywhere until she thought she spotted him. But it was just a piglet eating a pumpkin for lunch. She looked and she looked with no luck. Finally, Bibi found the little black cat. Or so she thought. He quickly ran to the countryside. Bibi trailed right behind him. Until they came across a fall carnival.
Yay! Where are you?
Peekaboo, said the cat. But Bibi did not see him.
Did you see me, Kitty?
No cats here, said the ghost. Bibi was about to give up. She decided to distract herself by counting pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just then, Bibi looked up and the picture came to life. What's that? The cat was inside the picture.
Kitty!
The next thing she knew, Bibi was in the picture as well. The search continued into the dark woods.
Come here, Kitty.
And through the spooky cemetery.
Kitty!
She followed the kitty's tracks into the pumpkin patch. But the cat was nowhere to be seen.
Where are you?
No, not there. The cat scurried up the pathway to the haunted castle. The door creaked open and the cat went inside.
Kitty, where'd you go?
The castle was enormous. The cat could be hiding anywhere. Bibi went up the staircase in search of the cat. Peekaboo, said the ghosts. Hearing Bibi's cries, the kitty went looking for her. But he too was startled by 3 friendly ghosts. Bibi and the cat were happy to be home. The end.